Got a Altima misfire. Check engine light's on. It's not flashing for some reason. It sounds terrible. The scan tool doesn't have any misfire counter on this, so we're gonna do something simple. Alright, that one fires. Ah, it died. Alright, so that was cylinder 2. This is 3. That's firing. Oh yeah, that one's firing. Still with 1. Yeah, not so good. Doesn't work with oil, needs more lube. So on this Altima, went ahead and took off my engine mount that bolted all on top of this thing. So they can, I sucked out a bunch of the oil out of the hole. So a little bit, none in that one. That one has some too. So yeah, keep going at it. Get this valve cover off here. And they don't sell you the new tube seals, so we got a whole new valve cover to go back on. Check in a second. Come on. Get the cap off the goblet. Oh, I need 2 hands. All right, put some bolts in it. Put the engine mount back on. Ah, come on. Ah, fit. No. Hold, please. Bolt it on, put the grounds back on over here. Put the thing back in, take the jack out. Once you're all done, park it outside, and on to the next car.